Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up your clinical form settings. Entity settings are set per entity and not per user to customize the program to the specific needs of the practice. The entity settings will determine how functions are set up and work per entity. The clinical form settings consists of the script and sick note settings. The settings are set up for a better health outcome as the most significant benefit of using medication correctly as prescribed by the doctor. Doctors prescribe medication to treat your symptoms and to help you manage or overcome certain health conditions. By setting up the prescription settings, it will help the doctor to prescribe medication accurately and easy. To access the settings from the diary screen, click on the Settings button in the top right corner. On the Settings screen, click on Entity Settings tab. Click on the Clinical Forms Settings panel to expand it. The Hide Watermark Scripts and Sick Notes setting will enable the watermark "Not Original" on the scripts and sick notes when it is printed again after the first time. This will indicate that it is not the original copy that was given to the patient. The manual override option will disable the user to search for medication on the script, and the user will be able to enter the items that need to be added to the script manually. The manual override setting will disable the search on items that are loaded onto the system. It will change the search field into a normal text field without nappy codes. The allergy detection will also be disabled and not pick up if the patient has any allergies and warn the doctor if he prescribes something that the patient is allergic to. The expanded option will automatically expand all the lines on the script. The expanded setting is ideal for a doctor when they prescribe a lot of medication at once. It is up to you if you want to set it up as expanded. If the setting is not ticked, you can still expand the script line when clicking on it on the script screen. The Include Consumables option will include the consumable stock list in the search to be able to script consumables or materials when searching for items on the script. The Inline History option will add and display the previous two scripts and the history of the patient at the bottom of the script screen for easy reference. The Block If No Diagnosis option will block the user if no diagnosis code is filled in on the booking. The purpose of the EMR case types is for the practitioner to select under what category type the diagnosis or procedure falls in the EMR form under the clinical event. Please refer to the EMR case types manual in this video's description to fully understand what the function is used for. Click on the Close button to exit the settings screen without saving. Click on the Save button to save the new settings.